Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the access point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. And here we've had some orders coming in November 2022. We've got a 47XL, real sleek, beautiful 32.5. Actually, this is a 37 horse Kohler. Typically, we use the 32.5 before, but we were able to get a hold of the 37, which is a nice addition to this entire cleaning unit. And of course, we have the patented heat exchanger. This is not fully finished yet. We got to put the bottom heater down at the bottom and do our water box and our electrical and make the connection from the heater to the headers. So as you can see, we're really getting good with the colors. This particular individual wanted a red color, blue. If they wanted working man's gray, yellow, orange, we'll make it whatever they want. We have another unit over here. And we got a couple more orders that are coming in. This is a compact 45 that has nothing on it quite yet. In a day or so, it will be completely populated. And we just take pride in what we do. We've been doing this for a long time. Factory number 2 up in Lecanto we've been producing all the frame work and the pre-framing and preliminary framing to get all that done so that we move right ahead in the production of our Blue Baron truck mounts. And as you can see, we've been changing out between Honda, and the Duramax is a Honda engine. We've done really well with these engines. These engines are real sleek, they run smooth, and they have their coolers and stuff on the side, which are very heavy duty. Everything about this engine is heavy duty. It's got good torque, and we use our Sudabelt blowers, as you can see in the back of this one over here. We're going to be putting the other one in over here. So it's been really busy, and we're producing a high quality product, and we are putting them out on a monthly basis. We're really putting out the units, and we're enjoying what we're doing, providing the very best this industry has to offer. And we are also, in addition to doing up in Lecanto, having my sons work up there in that larger steel building, I'm still doing building back here as well. So we have a frame that's going to go for 45 SC. As you can see, that's what it looks like in the raw. A lot of work goes behind what we do, fine craftsmanship and TIG welding, really high quality materials. I mean, we're talking about quarter plate. You can see how thick it is right here. Just a really nice concept in the way we build our frames, and that's why we come ahead in the industry. We're building the best this industry has to offer as far as simplicity, reliability, high quality components, high quality materials. We're almost done with this header here. We're not quite done yet, but we're really putting out a lot of high quality, and people are recognizing it for what we do. And the world famous access point heat exchanger, where we've been able to produce a aftermarket for the pro chem industry for those discontinued truck mounts like the 405, Legend, Trailblazer, and Sabre, and many of the others. This is a very, very unique design. It was patented in 2012, and it has a series of coils and a parallel arrangement where the heat can come in, and it resonates goes right through the coils and absorbed into the metals carrying the water. So there's a nice instant rise in temperature. It's high pressured, so you can get high pressure for all our units, at least 2,500 psi and above for all our truck mounts. Take a look at the store. There's some demonstrations in there that show the versatility of this unit. So call us today at 727-505-2989, and we'll help you out in any way, answering your questions, whether you want it into a van or, trailer or any type of Sprinter or high top. We also do the Aqua Baron 105-gallon tanks over here. As you can see, we've got a lot of filter boxes that are being produced. People are grabbing them up like crazy over here. People love these filter boxes. They're very well built. We have to augment it, of course, with our couplings. I take weld the couplings in it and put the handle on and gasket and put all the internal components in there as far as the cam locks and the PVC, so that we have also a stainless basket that goes in there. And this is our Aqua Baron. And that frame that you saw inside the shop is going mounting on top of this. And what we do is we do the frame first, bring the two together, mount and secure them, and then we add on, of course, if it had all the engine and blower on it, we wouldn't be able to move it and it could damage the unit. So we build it from when it's bare it down to the bare of nothing, no engine, no blower. So we transfer it safely onto the water tank and making sure that it's secure and safe. And we're putting out a lot of tanks. I've got about 3 more that are coming from my other facility on order. And so look us up online at truckmountstore.com 24/7 and see how popular our units are becoming. And we're the solution to a high quality truck mount unit, state of the art in design and the implementation of the patented heat exchanger, offering great heat and stability. Call us at 727-505-2989 or look us up on the store at truckmountstore.com 24/7. Thank you.